In this video, we are going to discuss about the VRV and VRF. Usually, the AC used at home has an indoor unit and an outdoor unit. The outdoor unit will cut off when the room temperature reaches the set point. When the temperature of the room increases, then the outdoor unit turns on again. But in VRV, many indoor units are connected in one outdoor unit. If the set point has reached in any indoor unit, the speed of the outdoor compressor will decrease according to the set point. So, we can maintain the required temperature for all the rooms through one outdoor unit. This is the difference between normal AC and VRV or VRF. Before knowing about VRV and VRF in detail, let's know the difference between these two. VRV stands for Variable Refrigerant Volume. VRF stands for Variable Refrigerant Flow. These two are the same unit. Daikin Company was the first to introduce this technology. Then, Daikin Company named this technology as VRV and patented the name. After this, when other companies introduced this technology, they introduced it as VRF, as Daikin Company had already bought the patent for the name VRV. So, these two are same, only the name is different. Now, let's know how this VRV works. Before that, those who have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. As we have already said, multiple indoor units are connected to one outdoor unit in VRV. Inverter compressor is used in outdoor unit of VRV. Let's take 3 indoor units for 1 outdoor unit. When the first unit is turned on, the outdoor unit runs and sends refrigerant to the first unit only. Then when the second unit is turned on, the speed of the compressor increases, and now the refrigerant goes to the second unit also. The same thing happens when the third unit is turned on. Now, if the set point is reached in the first unit, or if the unit is turned off, the speed of the compressor will decrease, and the refrigerant will go to the remaining 2 units only. This is the working principle of the VRV system. Important points that can be covered in this video. VRV and VRF are same. VRV is the patent name of Daikin Company, and VRF is the name of other companies. In normal AC, one indoor unit is connected to one outdoor unit. In VRV system, multiple indoor units are connected to one outdoor unit. Inverter compressor is used in outdoor unit of VRV. Through this, if the set point is reached in any one unit, the speed of the compressor can be controlled, and refrigerant can be sent to other units. So, I hope you have a clear understanding of VRV system through this video. If you find this video useful, please like the video and share this video with your friends too.